facade inspection and the identification of defects and repairs are important to ensure the safety of the residents and the public.
What I would have to do to cover this 100% visual inspection would be to deploy our resources to go around to site using a high-powered camera or binoculars to physically capture photographs from the ground floor. That's time-consuming.
With the introduction of drones, we will be able to overcome these limitations.
In our experience, we have used it in many circumstances already and also many times, and it has given us very accurate results, and the deployment is also very fast. It gave us that efficiency, that effectiveness, and more emphasis on analyzing where may be a fault that we need to rectify immediately.
When we use the drone and AI system, there is no working at height. The drone and AI system can speed up the inspection process.
And safety is a big concern, especially on construction sites, on existing building sites, because we are able to use a drone to identify potential risks to the facade even before we carry out the close-range inspection. So as soon as we get a request from the client, the competent person will then engage the drone operator, who will be assisting with the drone flight to capture the images for the 100% visual inspection.
We take the drone data to go and put it into a system where they can actually then view it online and then contextualize it against a 3D model to know the location of the photos relative to an asset, or by using AI algorithms to go and process the photos as well.
From a data security and privacy perspective, we manage it by encrypting our data. Specifically for residential buildings, there is an algorithm that automatically masks windows to comply to say privacy concerns.
Residents will also be notified by notices in advance of the drone inspection. We would strongly encourage residents to close their windows and doors prior to the facade inspection.
Once the inspection is done, the images are processed and it's reviewed by both the facade inspector and the competent person. The competent person will then identify the locations for the close-range inspection.
When we do a physical inspection of a facade, we look out for the 4Ds, which are damage, displacement, defects, and deformity. I think the digitalization is very valuable. You can actually learn a lot about what's happening in a very macro sense.
And also with the data that collected, we hope to be able to share with others the defect rectification method and make our building safer.
So with the better efficiency and effectiveness of facade inspections with the help of drones, we will definitely encourage the industry to adopt this technology.